Hey, that's Jay Fishing right there for Famous Fishing. Jay Fishing, looks like you've caught, how many is that, 15? Man, so we get our limit out here. We're right now at a Hidden Lakes, Martinez, California. Y'all not allowed here. No fishing allowed for busters. Only players like us.
Outdoorsman, follow us on YouTube. We got you. We're posting videos left and right. On Instagram, I am the Bass Master. Follow me. I got you for life.
Famous Fishing. Stay tuned.
Oh yeah, recording? There you go. First little one of the day before we take off. Just a little guy. Let's see if I can get him out of here.
Who are you?
Continue on the night. Oh yeah, it's Pirate. Bank Smashers. Got a friend Lou videotaping. But he's about to take off. I got one on video before he did. Fish on.
Good job, baby. Say hey. Say Famous Fishing. Say Famous Fishing. Action.
So,
Who are you?
I'm Arizona from Famous Fishing.
Let me see what you got there.
Big trout from Rainbow Trout from Hidden Lakes.
Stay tuned. Famous Fishing. Famous Fishing, we have
Delta Crew.
Delta Crew. How did you guys do today?
We limited out.
Look at all of those trout. What kind of trout? All rainbow?
Rainbow Trout.
Look at those trout. Stay tuned. Famous Fishing. Action. Who do we have here?
Fish on.
Fish on from Famous Fishing. Girl, what you get that on? Oh.
Oh, damn.
Y'all stay tuned. That's a big old one. That's a big old one. Stay tuned. That's Fish on. She just caught one. Stay tuned. Famous Fishing.
This is Sioux Dog.
Who we got here?
This is Sioux Dog.
Sioux Dog from Famous Fishing. What do you got?
Got a little rainbow.
I'll make you famous.